how to find message sound settings on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and once you're here click on your profile in the top corner and then click the settings icon. Now just click this one here, sounds, and here we'll find the message sound, and here you can manage it. It's easy, just click on it and you can change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.